Hello friend. Now in this lecture we are going to discuss this new topic, that is the linear differential equation. Now see, what is the definition of linear differential equation? A differential equation in which the dependent variable and its differential coefficient occur in the first degree only and are not multiplied together. It is called the linear differential equation. Now if you consider all these example, then in this example, why this is called the dependent variable and its differential coefficient means dy by dx, d2y by dx2, d3y by dx3 and so on, dny by dxn. These are called the differential coefficient. So see, what is the definition of linear differential equation? A differential equation in which this dependent variable y and its differential coefficient means dy by dx or d2y by dx2, it has just a degree 1. Now if we consider this first example, then obviously degree of this y is 1, so that is the linear term. Degree of this differential coefficient dy by dx, it is again 1. Degree of this next differential coefficient d2y by dx2, this is again 1. So this is called the linear differential equation. So obviously this is second order linear differential equation. Now if we consider this second example, then again we have the same condition. There is a dependent variable y and this degree of this differential coefficient, it is again 1. Degree of dy by dx, it is 1. Degree of d2y by dx2, it is again 1. Degree of d3y by dx3, this is again 1. So this differential equation satisfied both the condition. What is the first condition? Degree of dependent variable and its differential coefficient, it should be 1. And what is the second condition? Dependent variable and differential coefficient, they are not multiplied together. So there is no multiplication of this dependent variable and differential coefficient. There is no such a term. So this is again called the linear differential equation. Obviously this is the third order linear differential equation. Now if we consider this third example, dy by dx plus 1 upon x into y equal to x square, this is again the linear differential equation because the degree of this dependent variable, it is y, degree of this differential coefficient, it is again 1. So this is called the linear differential equation. If we consider this fourth example, then again this is the linear differential equation. Degree of this dependent variable, it is 1. Degree of this differential coefficient dy by dx, it is again 1. So this is again called the linear differential equation. Now if we consider this fifth example, that is dy by dx, this is equal to x upon y. Now obviously degree of y, it is 1. But this is not a linear differential equation. Because if we transfer this y in left hand side, suppose, then we get this y into dy by dx, this is equal to 1. So this differential equation contains this product. Which product? This contains this dependent variable y and its differential coefficient. And what is the condition in linear differential equation? We do not require this product. This differential equation should not contain this product. Which product? Dependent variable y and its differential coefficient. So obviously this differential equation contains such a product, which is the product of dependent variable and its differential coefficient. So this is not a linear differential equation. Now see, if we consider this fifth example, that is dy by dx plus x into sine y, this is equal to 0. Again, this is not a linear differential equation because this dependent variable y, that is the coefficient of transcendental function. So obviously, this is not a linear differential equation. So remember, what is the definition of linear differential equation? There are two conditions for linear differential equation. What is the first condition? Dependent variable y and its differential coefficient, it has just degree 1 only. And what is the second condition? We do not require such a product. Product of dependent variable and its differential coefficient, that is called a linear differential equation. Now we give just a different definition of linear differential equation of first order and first degree. Now see what is the definition. A differential equation of the type dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q, where what is p and q? P and q are functions of x alone. It is called a linear differential equation. See what is the definition of linear differential equation? A differential equation of the form dy by dx plus p into y equal to q, where what is p and q? P and q should be functions of x alone. This is called a linear differential equation. For example, this is the example. Dy by dx plus p into y equal to q. This is called the linear differential equation, where what is p and q? P and q should be a functions of x alone. Now see what is the next question. If suppose we have the linear differential equation, then how to find out its solution? Now this is the formula for finding the solution of the linear differential equation. And what is that formula? This is the formula: y into integrating factor is equal to integral integrating factor into q dx plus c. Where how to calculate this integrating factor? Integrating factor, this is given by the formula e raised to integral p dx. So remember this concept. Okay, what is the definition of linear differential equation? This is the mathematical form of the linear differential equation. A differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. This is called the linear differential equation, where what is p and q? P and q should be a functions of x alone. Then how to find out its solution? This is the formula for finding the solution of linear differential equation. Y into integrating factor is equal to integral integrating factor into q dx plus c, where how to calculate this if if it is given by e raised to integral p dx. So let us take some example on linear differential equation. Now let us solve this first example. Dy by dx plus 4x upon x square plus 1 into y equal to x square plus 1 bracket q. Now this is suppose the given differential equation, that is suppose the equation number 1. Now see what is the definition of linear differential equation. A differential equation of the type dy by dx plus p into y equal to q. This is called the linear differential equation, where what is p and q? P and q should be a functions of x alone. Now this given differential equation, that is in the same pattern. Dy by dx plus p into y equal to q, where what is p and q? P and q should be a functions of x. So obviously this is called a linear differential equation. Now see, How to identify the linear differential equation? See, this is the identification. If suppose the differential equation contains just a single y, see, this is the identification. If the differential equation contains a single y, then it may be a linear differential equation. Now, obviously, this differential equation contains just a single y. So, this may be differential equation or this may be linear differential equation. So, see, this is the definition of linear differential equation. A differential equation of the form dy by dx plus p into y equal to q. So, this is called the linear differential equation. Now, once it is the linear differential equation, then how to find out the solution? This is the formula y into integrating factor. This is equal to integrating factor into q dx plus c. Where how to find out this integrating factor? This is given by the formula e raised to integral p dx. So write down the identification. So write down which is linear differential equation of the type. So write down the type dy by dx plus p into y equal to q. So write down what is the values for p and q. So right here where p is equal to, this is 4x upon x square plus 1, and what is q? Q is equal to this right hand side, that is x square plus 1 bracket q. So this is the first step. What is the first step? To identify the given differential equation, whether it is in the proper form or not. So how to identify the given differential equation for linear differential equation? If the differential equation contains a single y, then it may be a linear differential equation. Now obviously this is the linear differential equation which has this form dy by dx plus p into y equal to q. Now what is the next step? We have to find out the integrating factor. So right here now integrating factor is equal to, this is the formula e raised to integral p dx. So just put the values for p. This is 4x upon x square plus 1 dx. So this is e raised to integral. Now find out this integral. Now see, this integrand contains, what is this integrand? This integrand contains linear term divided by quadratic term. See, what is this pattern? This is the linear divided by quadratic term. So how to solve such a type of integration? We have to adjust the derivative of denominator in numerator. See, what is this pattern? This integration contains, numerator contains some linear term and this denominator contains the quadratic term. So this is of the pattern linear divided by quadratic. So how to evaluate such a pattern? What is the method? Just adjust the derivative of denominator in numerator. So what is the derivative of denominator? Derivative of denominator, it is 2x. Derivative of constant number, it is 0. So derivative of denominator, that is 2x. So adjust this 2x in numerator. So just take out 2 outside and write here 2x divided by x square plus 1 dx. So this is our required form, that is f dash x divided by fx. So what is this formula? F dash x upon fx, this is given by the formula log fx. So use this formula. So this is e raised to 2 f dash x upon fx, this is log fx. So just simplify. So this is e raised to log of x square plus 1. Now transform this to exponential log, get cancel. So this is x square plus 1 bracket square. So this is our integrating factor. So this is our second step. What is the first step? Identify the given differential equation. Now this is in the proper form, which is the linear differential equation. So what is the next step? Find out this integrating factor. Now find out its solution. So write down the solution. Therefore, solution is, this is the formula, y into integrating factor is equal to integrating factor into q dx plus c. So put the value. So this is y. Integrating factor, this is x square plus 1 bracket square is equal to integral. We have found this integrating factor x square plus 1 bracket square, and what is the value for q? This is 1 upon x square plus 1 bracket cube dx plus c. So x square plus 1 bracket square, and this is bracket cube. So cancel this bracket square. So this is 1 upon x square plus 1 dx plus c. So find out this integration. This is tan inverse x plus c. Now let us solve this second example. dy by dx plus y into cot x equal to sine 2x. Now see what is our first observation. First of all, identify the given differential equation which is in the proper form or not. So how to identify? If the differential equation, if suppose it contains a single y, then it may be a linear differential equation. See, this is the identification. Okay, first of all, observe the given differential equation whether it contains a single y or not. Now obviously this differential equation contains a single y, so it may be a linear differential equation. Now secondly, identify the given form. What is that form? A differential equation of the type dy by dx plus py equal to q. This is called a linear differential equation, where what is p and q? P and q should be a functions of x alone. Now this is the same pattern. dy by dx plus p into y equal to q, where what is this p and q? P and q should be a functions of x. So this is the linear differential equation. So write down the identification, which is linear differential equation of the type. So write down this standard type. This is dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So write down the values for p and q. So right here, where what is p? P means coefficient of y, that is cot x, and what is q? Q means the right hand side, that is sine 2x. So this is the first step. What is the first step? Identify the given differential equation. Now this is the linear differential equation having this pattern. Now what is the next step? Find out the integrating factor. So right here, now integrating factor is equal to, this is the formula for finding the integrating factor, e raised to integral p dx. So this is e raised to integral. Now put the value. This is cot x dx. Integration of cot x, this is log sine x. Exponential log get cancelled. So this is our integrating factor, that is the sine x. So this is the second step. Now what is the third step? Find out the solution of this linear differential equation. So write down the formula. Therefore, solution is y into integrating factor is equal to integrating factor into q dx plus c. So put the values. This is y. What is integrating factor, which is sine x, is equal to integral Sin x, it is the integrating factor, and what is q? Q means this is sin 2x dx plus c. So solve this integration. This is integral. This is sin x into. Now this sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x into cos x. This is the formula for sin 2 theta. Sin 2x, it is given by the formula 2 sin x into cos x. So 2, this is constant, we can take outside. Sin x into sin x, this is sin square x into cos x dx plus constant c. Now see how to find out this integral. Now for this integral, we use the method of substitution. Now see what is the method of substitution. Okay, put something for t so that its derivative should be present in integrand. See what is the method of substitution. What is the method of substitution? Okay, put something for t so that its derivative, it should be present in integrand. Now say suppose if we put sin x equal to t. If we put suppose sin x equal to t, then what is the derivative of sin x? Its derivative cos dx, it should be present in the integrand. So we can use the method of substitution. So just put sin x equal to t. So this derivative cos x dx equal to dt. So just put the values. Therefore, we get this is the left hand side, y into sin x. This is equal to integral 2. This is the constant term. Put sin x equal to t, so this is t square, and what is the value of cos x dx, that is dt. Just put sin x equal to t, and what is the value for cos x dx, it is dt. So this is 2 integration of t square, this is t cube divided by 3 plus c, and finally replace t by sin x, so this is equal to 2, this is sin x bracket cube divided by 3 plus constant c. So this is our required general solution. So remember this method. A differential equation of such a type dy by dx plus py equal to q, that is called a linear differential equation. If the differential equation, if it is linear differential equation, then this is the formula for finding the solution of linear differential equation, where how to calculate this if it is given by the formula e raised to integral p dx. So thank you for watching.